kapag hesitant ka na i-express yung totoong nararamdaman mo, mararamdaman ng audience mo yun eh. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
And Niley.
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 sa kanilang ginanap na head-to-head challenge, and it's going to be Ariana Beron from Iloilo City. Unfortunately, hindi siya nakapasok sa top 8 finalists, but anyhow, we're here to support her pa rin. And
ang naging criteria ng judging is 60% content and 40% delivery.
Sinabi ko bang sabihin mo yun?
Para naman may participation, parang ikaw na nagsasalita.
So ayan, and without any further ado, let's watch this.
Hi, I'm Ariana, your Miss World Philippines.
Ganda ka din yung mga artwork na gumagalaw.
Your art student,
so creative,
and a superhero in sports. But you know what? There's more to me than just sports. Deep down, I aspire to create a world where everyone gets to shine in their brilliant and special way. And speaking of special, have you ever been to my hometown? Iloilo, the city of gastronomy and love.
Grabe yung transition.
Experiencing the incredible flavors, I've also been surrounded by so much love and vibrancy in my hometown as I journey on my initiative for children with special needs. So as I continue on my journey as an exceptionally empowered Filipina, I will do everything to make these children's lives filled with the most beautiful colors. Hello?
Yes, the most important thing there is you are beautiful with or without the crown by just simply fulfilling your advocacy and doing what you have to do to make a change in the community.
Correct. Kailangan dapat meron kang like kind heart talaga.
Yes.
It's Iloilo City. Ariana?
Ariana. You can call me Ari.
Ari. Okay, hello Ari.
Oh, Ariana
You
Grande.
consider yourself as a sports superhero.
Huh?
So if you had your way, what tangible support would you give for all our Filipino athletes competing in the Paris Olympics?
Actually, I am advocating for learners with special needs. And I have met a lot of Paragames athletes there. But the common problem is there is a lack of support, insufficient training support for the athletes. And I think I can contribute as an athlete myself by inspiring everyone and opening doors for these athletes who have a lot of future in sports and also in education. And by supporting our co-Filipinos, we can create a more healthy environment for our athletes. And as a Filipino, myself as an advocate for learners with special needs, it is very important to create a safe space for athletes and for children and to support them. Support is a must for them.
What?
Ayun, ano naman siya, I like her, like, yung suot niya sa head-to-head challenge. Ang cute ng kanyang outfit, I must say. I'm here for it. Pero, yun lang, parang, minsan kasi nawawala ng impact yung isang thought kapag inulit mo, parang pabalik-balik ba. Tsaka nakulangan sa ganon yung kung yung tanong, dapat mas maganda kasi yung diretso na lang na nasa poll, parang ganon.
Yun kasi mahirap din eh. Minsan may mga questions na ang hinahanap is yung meat talaga or concrete na solutions or kung ano talaga yung...
Tsaka ang laki din kasi ng weight nung content dun sa head-to-head challenge. Yun lang yun.
Makes you a true friend? What makes Ari a true friend?
I show kind and compassion towards others because being kind and compassionate, it will build a sense of trust and sense of worth. One thing I'm always telling my friends is, you don't have to push yourself to open up something to me. If you feel that I'm a friend to you and you feel that you can trust me, then you can open up yourself to me without any hesitations, because through trust, we can build relationship and friendship that meant the world to me. So I'm very thankful for all my 34 empowered sisters for trusting me, for being a friend, and for making a best relationship that I have ever received. I love you, girls.
Siya, ano ba ka-showbiz? Ano ba showbiz doon? Ano na kasi siya, parang siguro mas gusto ko sa kanya is she's a very shy girl na ang nakakita ko na takot na ilabas yung totoo siya, yung parang ganun. Kasi mas i-embrace ng fans, lalong-lalo na ng taong nanonood, yung totoo, yung iba na kasi ngayon sa panahon ngayon, kahit na gaano kakaloko-loko or whatever you call it, tatanggapin ng tao yun kasi basta authentic ka.
Yung authenticity.
Yun talaga yung pinakamahalaga ngayon, yung authenticity, yun talaga.
Yun talaga yung magbibigay ng marka na mag-iiwan sa'yo na, ito siya, ganyan, ito yung story niya.
Kasi kahit na anong gawin mo, kapag hesitant ka na i-express yung totoong nararamdaman mo, mararamdaman ng audience mo yun eh. So,
feeling ko kaya niya naman. Siguro further training lang. Ganyan.
Bata pa naman siya. Siguro bata pa siya. Pero,
kaya niya later on na, magkukwento na siya ng tungkol sa kanya, story niya, ganyan, relevance
kasi
to the question.
Kasi mas kumbaga, like, pag carefree ka lang, yung ano ba ito term? Pag hindi casual. Ka masyado, casual lang, hindi ka masyadong parang ilang sa sasabihin mo or careful masyado, parang just be yourself, mas mafe-feel ng audience and mas makaka-relate.
Mapapalabas niya yung personality niya talaga.
True, mama. Yes, through the rain. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!